Hi guys! Welcome sa SIP9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on logarithm. No? So sa previous video, napag-aralan natin itong formula na to, no? Yung logarithm of a product. And dinerive natin yan. No? So dito pag-aaralan natin kung paano siya i-apply sa mga exercises on logarithms. No? So number 1, exercise 1 is evaluate logarithm of 20 to the base 10 plus logarithm of 5 to the base 10. Okay, so pag sum sila, ibig sabihin pwede mo silang gawing product. Pag same base, no? So, lagi natin tatandaan yan. Dapat same base sila. So, meaning, yung logarithm of 20 to the base 10 plus logarithm of 5 to the base 10 can be written as logarithm of 20 times 5, di ba? Yung m natin ito, yung n natin yung 5, di ba? So, pwedeng product sila to the base 10, no? And 20 times 5 is 100, di ba? So, logarithm of 100 to the base 10. And, ibig sabihin nito, sa ang exponent mo, i-erase yung 10 para maging 100, di ba? Yung ganitong notation. Alala nyo, logarithm of m to the base a equals x, meaning a raised to x equals m, di ba? So, 10 raised to something is 100, no? Parang ito sinasabi mo, 10 raised to x equals 100, which means that x equals 2, no? So, 10 squared is 100, kaya 2 yung sagot natin. Okay? So, ito yung final answer natin. Number 2. So, evaluate logarithm of 8 to the base 6 plus logarithm of 9 to the base 6 plus logarithm of 3 to the base 6. So, extension ito ng formula. No? Pag sum, pwede natin gawing product. Diba? So, this can be written as logarithm of 8 times 9 times 3 to the base 6. No? Ano ang 8 times 9 times 3? This is logarithm of 72 times 3. 216. To the base 6. Saan mo i-erase, no? Saan mo i-erase yung 6 para siya maging 216? 6 times 6 is 36. Times 6 is 216. So therefore, sagot natin dito ay 3. Okay? Number 3. Oy, sorry. Nangyari doon. Okay, number 3. Express as a single logarithm. Express as a single logarithm. So log of 4x plus log of x plus log of 2. So again, if meron tayong sum ng logarithms of the same base, so pag walang base, okay lang yan. Parang ang assumption natin dyan, 10 base 10. Usually yung base 10, hindi siya nilalagyan ng base, no? O the other way around, pag walang base, parang ina-assume natin na base 10 in general sa algebra. So this is logarithm of 4x plus logarithm of x plus logarithm of 2 is equal to logarithm of 4x. Pwede multiply, di ba? Pag sum, times x times 2, which is equal to logarithm of 4 times 2 is 8. 8x squared. Okay, so yan lang yung ating expression. Wala naman tayong value kasi meron tayong variable o meron tayong letter. So, okay na siya. Kaya pakita lang dyan na pag addition ay pwede mong i-multiply. No? Last example, we have number 4. Logarithm of x plus logarithm of x minus 3 equals 1. Paano naman to? So, pwede nating i-ano to, di ba? I-multiply. So, meaning this is equal to logarithm of, I think this is finding the value of x, no? Logarithm of x times x minus 3 equals 1. Okay? So, pag ganito, ano ibig sabihin nito? Pag walang base, usually, ina-assume natin na 10, no? Base 10. So, ano ulit yung logarithm of m to the base a equals x? Diba ito yung base? Pag ginawa natin exponential form. This is the base, this is the exponent. So, magiging a to the x equals m, di ba? So, meaning, pag base 10 ito, anong gagawin natin? 10 to the first power, no? Pag gagawin natin exponential form. So, 10 to the first power equals x times x minus 3. Diba? Meaning, 10 equals x squared minus 3x. Okay? Moving 10 to the other side, so magiging x squared minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. And by factoring, we have x, ano ba ang 10? 5 tsaka 2, di ba? Pero since minus 3 tayo dito, magiging minus 5 plus 2. So this is equal to 0. So this can be 0 if one of them is 0, meaning if x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 equals to 0, or both, no? So this is x equals 5. This is x equals negative 2. Now, hindi pwedeng negative ang logarithm, no? So, hindi ito kasama. Meaning, ito yung sagot natin. So, answer is x equals 5. So, pwede nyo i-try, no? Logarithm of 5 plus logarithm of 2 equals 1. Pwede natin i-check yung value. So, logarithm of, ang x natin 5, di ba? Plus logarithm of 5 minus 3 is 2 is equal to 1, di ba? So, magiging logarithm of 5 times 2, di ba? Is equal to 1. And logarithm of 10 is equal to 1. Which is correct, no? Kasi, ano ang number na erase mo sa 1 para maging 10, di ba? 10 din. 10 to the 1 is 10. Okay, so tama yung x equals 5. Yung x equals negative 2, pag x equals negative 2 ka dito, walang logarithm ang walang logarithm ang negative. Ang ating pwede lang dyan ay positive, no? Later siguro pag-uusapan natin bakit ganun. Okay, so maraming salamat. Sana may natutunan kayo dito sa video. I'll see you in the next video.